Good day, this is the Animal Huntress, and that is a beautiful bevy of merganser babies led by the mama. And if you listen carefully, you can hear their little peeping. That's a lot of babies for one mother to take care of. Mergansers are not that common on the Connecticut River in northwestern Massachusetts. So to see so many is indeed a special treat. We don't want to harass the mother, although I'd like to get a little bit closer. But we don't want to upset anyone, do we? This is the Animal Huntress.